Tupu te toi e ora te toi o Whanganui ki tāmaki.
When you step through the threshold of the gallery, it kind of feels a little bit like going into kind of spaces of worship. You know, when you first come into a church, you come into a warinui or these places where, like, you know, they have these kind of dramatic architectural forms.
Kua hikoia a Jade Townsend o te Āti Haunui A Pāpārangi I ngā ara mingi roa o tāmaki makaurau ki te huaki I tōna ake ware toi ki te pokapū o te rai o ka waru.
It's a really humble space, but we get to, it kind of bends and stretches for lots of different uses. We've got to remember that Grey Lynn has this beautiful, abundant history of activism. It's very multicultural, and lots of artists still live here and raise their children here. The biggest challenges at the moment is the pressure this government is putting on arts funding. Our biggest relationships are with our artists, and if our artists aren't well and aren't supported and aren't stable, then it's hard for them to make shows to the level and quality that they are capable of.
Aha kua ngā tairo ākupe, koira te take kua huakina a Jade I ōna tatau ki te hāpori wānui, ki te waka atu I ō rātou taonga, ki te motu.
So Tony Guo, he's an incredibly special, electric and magnetic person. You know, when he comes into a room, like any of those sort of like artists that know how to just change the vibrations, he's like that.
I tēnei wā e manaaki ana a Jade I te wakaturanga o Q, nā Tony Guo, o Haina I peita hei wakaturanga I te hononga o Haina ki Aotearoa.
We're really fascinated by that experience of Aotearoa when you are so isolated from your own culture, and but also really part of the broader cultural conversation around identity and identity politics as well. I'm so grateful to Tāmaki and all the opportunities that it's given me, and all of the beautiful mentors that I have supporting me culturally in this space, and then to be able to be a bridge back home for artists and whānau and community to know that there's somewhere that they can pop in and not just see me but see really inspiring artworks.
Aha kua ki rawa ngā rori o tāmaki makaurau, ka akami koe I tēnei warepi ata ki te aranui, ki te raki, ki te rai o kāwaru, 568 māwaru, tēnā mā. Te kakenga Kawiti Bashara, Taiuru News.